Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then go to the General, which is the last tab, scroll down, find and select battery and power saving, and now access battery saver tab. And as you can see here, you can reduce performance of your battery by selecting either extended or maximum power saving mode. Let me start with the middle one, extended. Just click on it and now you can use your device in low power solution, and for some extreme situation you can use maximum power saving mode. Just click here to activate it, and as you can see, the background and other visual elements will be in black. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location may be turned off. So if you truly want to activate it, if you need your battery to last way longer, just click on turn on. And now you have to wait a couple of seconds until all data switch to dark mode and also to this low power solution. And as you can see, now you are in maximum power saving mode and everything has been changed, like the display. Now you've got the dark dim applied, which is very useful for your battery. Then also some apps are deactivated, and then you can still make calls, you can send a message, but now you have no internet connection, which will consuming a lot of battery. Then if you'd like to switch off power saving mode, you have to open the settings, then go to the battery and power saving right here, and then let's go to battery saver and smoothly switch it off by tapping on off. And as you can see, now you are back in the normal mode with all applications active and also with network connection. So that would be all. So you can save power in your device in your LG K11. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.